Let's go and unbox and have a look at the Renpho Iris one. As you can see just there, there's Renpho packaging again. Looks very, very nice. Let's take open the box and see what comes inside. So there is the eye massager just there. Now straight away, what stands out to me is the quality build. It feels really, really nice. So the padding feels like a luxury feel, and the top there feels like high quality plastic. Now you can see it's foldable design, so you can fold 180 degrees. Now these pads heat up, so they provide temperature between 104 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can see I've just turned it on then, and it says relax. So you can do music on there. So you can see the iPads now are working. So let me just put that on, turn that up for you. So strong pressure. So you press that button. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the pads, see how the pads are moving just there? So these massage against your eyes. Now you can increase the intensity for it. So, what's the intensity? So it's got 5 built-in modes. You've got the compression and heat and music. You've got the compression, heat and continuous vibration. So you press this, so there's no pressure. You press it again. Strong pressure. No pressure. Soft pressure. You can put the music on as well. So it gives you a really nice massage with them. You've got air pressure plus heat plus vibration. So you've got the vibration, the heat plus the air pressure in there. I like how this is adjustable as well, just here. There's the branding too. And you can do it depending on your nose bridge. And there's USB-C charging. Now it's playing music at the moment. So what I might do is put it close to my headphones so you can hear it. So it's really simple. So to do it, so you can see it's doing the vibration now as well as the compression and the heat at the same time. So the pads feel really nice and warm, and that's going to give you a really nice and smoothing on your actual eyes. So there you go. Now, as I said, you can change the modes by pressing here. You could change the music by pressing here, and you can change the heat by pressing there as well. So completely customizable. It's really, really nice. I'm going to turn that off now, and just hold that by turning off. Now let's go and have a look at what comes in the box as well. So you've got your instruction booklet there, how to set it up, and you've got your USB-C charging cable there as well. So it's all a very nice package.